Hello students. Now in the previous videos, like we were discussing how to find out volumes of combination of solids. But now we are going to do something different. What we are doing is that we are removing a smaller right circular cone from a bigger right circular cone. So this was a cone, and this was a cone which is sliced by a plane parallel to the base. So the two parts get separated. This is a plane which is parallel to the base. The two parts get separated. Now this part which is left, this is a cone, and this is the shape of a cone only, but the part which gets left out, that's called the frustum of a cone. This is called frustum of a cone. Now this is an important part of the mensuration and of CBSE class 10 exam. Now radius of this, we need to understand various letters that we have used before moving on to the formula. The small r is the radius of the smaller circle of the frustum of the cone. Capital R is the radius of the bigger circle. H height is this, and L is the slant height, right? So once if you understand the terminology, then you have to remember the formula by thinking in terms of cone. You take the reference of the cone to remember the formula. Curved surface area is what? Of a cone. Of a cone, it is pi RL. First I am writing off the cone, and then I will write the formula for the frustum of the cone. For simple cone, it is pi RL, and for the frustum of a cone, it will be pi R, capital R plus small r plus L, where L is the slant height over here. So pi capital R plus small r into L. L is the slant height. Total surface area, also you take reference of a cone. Total surface area for a simple cone is pi RL plus pi r square. Okay, I am teaching you way to remember the formula. So for the frustum of a cone, what you have to do? Curved area plus bottom circle plus top circle. Curved area plus bottom circle plus top circle. So curved areas we have already found above. It's pi r plus r times L. Top circles area is pi r square, the smaller circles. The bottom circles area is pi r square, the bigger circles. So just understand, don't just simply memorize, then you will never be able to if you memorize without understanding, then it becomes really difficult. And one small thing if you forget, then the whole answer goes wrong. And for the volume of the frustum of a cone, the formula for a cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. But for the frustum of the cone, it will be 1 by 3 pi r square plus r plus capital R square h. This is the formula for the volume of a cone. Frustum of a cone. This is like over here. Let's draw a line to differentiate. This is the formula for the frustum of a cone. 1 by 3 pi r square plus rr plus capital R into h. How do we calculate volume basically? Bigger cone's volume minus the smaller cone's volume, the part which has been cut off. The bigger cone's volume minus the smaller cone's volume gives you the volume of the frustum of a cone. And L actually is what over here? L is the slant height. The slant height is called L. Now if for the bigger cone, this was R, capital R, and this is small r. Okay, and let this height be h1, let this height be h2, and let this be L1 and let this be L2. So in terms of the respective letters, you can find out the volumes of those. But if frustum is given to you, L is the slant height, you have to remember this formula and then solve questions using this formula properly.